For today's nail art, we are going to be doing a French manicure. I'm going to start off by painting a blue diagonal French tip on my nail using the color Volts from Funky Fingers. To make sure I have full coverage, I'm going to add a second coat of polish. Once my polish is dry, I'm going to stamp a black flame design using Major Deets Plate 69 from AliExpress. And I'm going to place that in the corner of my nail and stamp it at an angle. On the other side of my nail, I'm going to use the top half of that image and stamp it going in the opposite direction. Using a dotting tool and black polish, I'm going to add 3 small dots along the top of my French manicure. To finish, seal everything in with your favorite top coat. And here's the completed design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.